Alright, so I just put on another brew. Probably been about a year since I put one on, so I just thought I'd do a video. It's about $12 for the brew kit, I guess, and then about $3 for the 1 kg of brewer's sugar. And you can use regular sugar, but brewer's sugar seems to come out a bit better. About a couple of dollars for the drops that you put in when you bottle it, but the carbonation drops. But yeah, so that works out to about it makes about 25 litres, and that brings it to about, I think it's about $3 per dozen of 330ml bottles. It's pretty easy to make. Yeah, it's pretty easy to do. The first thing to do is sanitize all your equipment, like your fermenter and stuff. And I use a stuff called Brewtech no rinse sterilizer, so you can just put it in the fermenter, shake it around and stuff, and then just tip it out when you're done, and seems to do the trick. The only time I've really had a batch go bad, it wasn't actually a batch, it was just a few bottles that I sanitized in the oven. So yeah, I've never had any problems with this sanitizer. So yeah, first I just add a litre of boiling water to the fermenter, and then I add the sugar and the malt extract, stir that up, and then I just top it up with cold water to about, so yeah, you want to top it up to about 21 litres, and then you check the temperature on the thermometer, and probably want it around mid-20s degrees Celsius, I think. I can't remember exactly, but I think it's around there. And then if it's a bit cold at 21 litres, you can add some more hot water, or if it's a bit too hot, you can add some more cold. But yeah, I probably add about 2 litres of boiling water all up, and yeah, just stir it in. Then you add your yeast at the end, stir that in, and that's pretty much it. And just wait. It takes about 7 days to ferment. Depends on the time of the year. Takes probably, it's the middle of summer right now, so it takes about probably take about 5 days maybe, but I'll leave it for a bit longer. Also, leaving it for a few days after, the sediment kind of settles, so you get a lot less sediment. So I might do that actually. I'm going to bottle it in glass bottles this time too. It just seems to work a lot better. It seems to come out a lot better, I reckon, especially when you age it. So yeah, glass beer bottles. I've got about 12 crate bottles, and a few 24 packs of just regular 330ml. So yeah, also got a capper now to try out, so should be good. But yeah, just thought I'd share it with you, and that's it.